Hello guys, this is Abhijit and today I am going to show you how you can use arrow function in JavaScript. I have opened JS folder in VS Code. Now I will create a file called app.js. Here you can see I have created the file. Now I will write basic JavaScript function. I will name this function msg and then I will console log. Now I will call this function. Now let's run this. Here you can see hello world. Now we will see how you can do this by arrow function. To write arrow function, we will write const, or you can use let also, msg2 and give them equal sign and braces and then equal sign and arrow and then curly braces. Now let's write this. Now let's call this msg2. Now let's run this app.js file. Here you can see hello, let's print it. Now we'll see how we can return from this arrow function. Now if you want to return something, let's say you want to return two here. Now if you now we have to console log this. Now let's run this. Now here you can see 2 is printed. Now now here I will show you a shorthand notation to return this. You can use simply 2 here and remove the braces. Now if you run this, you can see 2 is printed. Now there is also a shorthand notation which is another braces, and here are 2, and you can also, this is also written. Now we will see how we can pass parameter on this and calculate some value. Now here I will pass 2 a and b, call this add number. Now we will return this 2 number, return a plus b. Now let's run this. We have to call this function and 5. Now let's run this. Here you can see 7 is printed. You can also do by this shorthand notation with this. Here you can see 7. Now if you want to if you don't pass any value and want in parameter to pass something like default parameters, you can use that. Here you can see 0. Here you can see 0. And if you don't pass any value, let's call this. Here you can see 0 is printed. This is called default parameters.